Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. So today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the footwork dance move that you see in Industry Baby by Lil Nas X. Okay, so in order to teach you guys this dance move, we're going to break it down into 3 exercises, starting with the most simple thing that anyone can do, and then increasing the complexity layer by layer. Alright, exercise numero uno. So what you want to do is start off like this, in this position, alright? Your toes are pointing upwards, yours to the sides. And what you want to do is go up on your heels and then bring your toes inwards, just like that. So I'm going to go back, boom, on my heels, flicking my toes inwards, alright? Now, from here, you just want to practice, keep going. So you can start off slow and then gradually speed up. Hey, 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 hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, exercise number 2, once you become good at, this exercise number 1 here, what you want to do now is just don't bring it down here when you flick them inwards. You just want to keep them up and then go straight out again, alright? So you're just going to say, wah, out. Keep them up, out, yeah? So you only go down when your toes are pointing outwards, alright? Down, up, down. Notice how I'm bending my knees here, alright? Up, down, straighten, bend. Whoop, A, 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 A. Now, if you're having problems keeping your balance, then just stand near a wall here, or a chair, whatever, while we're practicing, alright? Okay, so when you're comfortable with that, we're gonna move on to exercise number 3. So what you wanna do here now is to lift 1 foot at a time, alright? So what I mean by that, let me just show you. You're gonna do wah, 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 wah. Now, it might be a bit difficult to do it fast straight away, so you might want to practice it slow, and to do that, you can, for example, use some chairs. Alright, so once you have 2 chairs, or you can also just stand near a wall, alright? So, what you want to do is, like before here, remember exercise number 2, yeah? Now you just need to lift 1 foot at a time. Whoop, down, lift, up, down, lift, up, down. Just practice this super slow until you get the idea, and then you can gradually speed up. Hey, 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 da 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 da. Hey. Now you can also do the opposite. So instead of starting out, your toes pointing outwards, you can also start here. All right, and then do wah 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 wah. Let me just show you the difference. You can go wah wah, wah wah, or start from here, wah wah, wah wah. Alright, so it's just a different, but it's basically the same, it's just the opposite, the reverse. Alright, in the music video, Lil Nas X is actually doing this one, and his dancers are doing the other one. So, up to you. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do this footwork dance that you see in Lil Nas X's music video, Industry Baby. A big shout out to Steezy for sponsoring this video. If you're serious about dancing and you want to take it to the next level, then Steezy is definitely for you. They have some of the best choreographers in the world, including one of my all-time favorite, Brian Goosepost. So, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.